Hello, it's Nancy from the County Library, and today we are going to talk about machines. And actually, I'm going to do 4 sessions on simple machines. So we'll start with today's. So what is a machine? A machine is something that helps you do your work with a lot less effort. And a simple machine is something that doesn't. Today's machines are like bulldozers and front loaders, and some of these types of things can carry and lift amazing amounts, but they use engines. And years ago, they didn't have engines. And so how did people move really large things, like to build pyramids and things like that? So they used simple machines. Simple machines simply help you do some work with a little less effort. So today we're going to build a winch. And a winch is a simple machine that helps you to pull in or let out a wire or rope. And that can be for many different purposes. For today, we're just going to lift some things. So this is the basic kind of machine that you see in a well that pulls water up. You can also see this used in things like tow trucks and steam shovels, and even elevators use something called a winch. So I'm going to tell you what supplies we need. I really want to thank the folks at Little Bins for Little Hands. They do some awesome STEM stuff if you go to their website. So I found some of this information there. All right, so today, what do you need to make a winch? We're going to bend down and see what we need. So I have 2 paper towel holders, a little bit of a toilet paper holder, a spool, and you don't have to have a spool, but it's nice to have. But I'll show you how to do it if you don't have a spool. Some straws. Actually, you'll only need 1 or 2. Some tape, string, scissors, and then something to lift. And I grabbed some branches from my yard and some little blocks that I found. Okay, so let's get started. So our first step is to tape our paper towel holders to a surface. And I just put a cookie tray upside down so I can do it on top of there. You want to have your straw there so you can measure about how close to put them together. So that looks about right to me. I have a little bit of space. And then I'm just going to tape these guys. Our next step is to cut some holes in the top of our cardboard here with your scissors. From this angle, what that looks like. You can see the holes coming across there. They don't have to be perfect. Okay, the next step though is to take your straw, and I'm gonna get kind of fancy and put a bendy straw inside here so I have a little crank. But if you do that, you need to make sure you tape them together. Otherwise, you'll just be cranking nothing. Okay. And then we're going to take our spool and put it on the straw. And also, we're going to want to tape this. Because what we want is for this part to all move together. And then our next step, I'm going to take, this is my basket out of the toilet paper holder, and I'm just going to make a little knot with my string around my basket. And then I'm going to kind of judge how long it is based on just measuring it there real quick. Whoopsie. So you don't want it too long because then it'll take forever to pull it. Tape this end of the string to my spool. Now, if you don't have a spool, just tape it to the straw, and that should give you the same effect. So let's test it out. Let's see what happens if we crank. Voila, right? And that happened really pretty easy for me. So now I'm going to try a few objects. Try something a little bigger. Whoa. My basket is not very good, apparently. And the other thing that this is telling me is that some of these things need to be better balanced. So if I was going to create another one, I would think a little bit more about where my knot is that's holding that. Okay, finally, I'm going to try a few. I grabbed some branches from my yard. I thought that would be fun to try. All right. Let's see what happens when they try to carry something big. It does work, but again, it wants to come out of here, so I think I need to get that a little bit straighter next time. Voila. So there you go. You can make your own simple machine, a winch, at home. Thanks for joining me today. This is Nancy from the County Library. Join us at thecountylibrary.org.